Portland. It is day 3. It's Wednesday. My boyfriend went to go grab coffee for us. We have an appointment or a ticket to go to the Japanese garden, which I'm really excited for. And then we also have a reservation at the cafe. I forgot what else we're doing. I don't even know if we have anything planned. Oh, we might go to the outlet. We were talking about Mount... Oh my God, I already forgot the name. I don't know the names of anything. Mount something, not Everest. Oh, Jesus. Mount Tabor. Tabor. The walls are yellow. I don't want to talk about it. It's horrid. And I'll see you at the Japanese garden. Okay, bye.
Hello.
We're at the Japanese garden. The Gordon. Guys, you have absolutely no idea how excited I am right now. Guys, they have ochazuke with genmaicha, and they have genmaicha and matcha and kinakamatsuの香りが力。うわ、美味しそう。任せろ。This is kinakomochi. Castella. Do you see the sponge? Yeah. We just drove 45 minutes to get to an outlet. Why? I don't know. Because can we get all this stuff in LA? 1000%.
No tax though.
No tax, and I needed to check out Ralph, even though I can't afford anything from Ralph. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hello, folks. Let us show you what we got. He got Nike Cortezes. Show them on the screen. Nike Union Collab Cortezes. The one I modeled. Most important part. These ones. For $45.
Steal.
What? $45. They were at an outlet in Oregon. $45 Nike Union Collab Cortezes. Crazy. Now, my turn. Okay, I got Uggs. Yay! They were $84. Amazing. And these are all, they look brown on here, but they're actually not brown, right? They're olive in real, this looks so brown on the screen, look. They're not brown. I don't know. Oh, it looks, here. It's green. And it's cute. Don't come for me in the comments because yes, like these might look weird, but I feel like I can style them cute. I don't know. We'll see. But yay! Everything else was whack.
Yeah, people out here aren't fresh, so they don't carry fresh.
You just made enemies in Portland. I mean, not just in Portland, but you just.
I mean, I don't blame them. It's cold out here, you know.
You can be fresh and cold. I mean, you could be fresh in the cold. More layers, that means more opportunity for you to like style yourself.
Like at Muji, there was a kid that was kind of fresh.
Oh yeah, he was fly.
Yeah.
Yeah. We are gonna go to Mount Tabor.
Mount Tabor.
Mount Tabor. There's this guy that we ran into. He was on the same hike as us when we were going up Mount Can you help me? Nice.
Multnomah. Multnomah Falls. Multnomah Falls. I don't know.
We were on this hike and there's a guy who stopped us. His name is Bill. There was a tornado in Kansas and he and his family moved to Portland in the 60s and he has been here ever since. And he was talking to us and he suggested going to Mount Tabor if we're close to downtown Portland. So we're gonna go there. I want to keep talking in this light because it just like makes my skin look glowy, but there's nothing else for me to say. Okay, bye. We never did It's Your Girl Say Dog, so we have to do it now. We have to do it now.
Go.
What's up, folks? It's Your Girl Say Dog! Okay, thanks. Okay, so before going to Mount Tabor, we went to something asylum where they have those food trucks and we picked up some snacks. So we got some fish and chips, cod, clam chowder, and this bread for the clam chowder. We already took some bites and they're so yummy. Oh my God. Okay, it is about to be 7. We're gonna go watch Tokyo Cowboy in the Hollywood Theater in Old Town Portland. I'm excited because there's not a lot of Japanese movies playing, but that movie is playing, so we're gonna go see it. Yeah! Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh my
God.
goodness.
Did it again, so I'ma let the beat rock. Our last day in Portland. We're starting the day late. It's 11 a.m. I say that as if we have started our day early in any other day, but we're starting the day late. I had work to do. Got the new Cortezes. Ooh. And more jeans. Carhartt. I'm next. It's me. No makeup today. My new Uggs. I thrifted these pants. Yes, 2 days ago. They're so warm. Booty pocket. Booty pocket. And I'm wearing my Uggs. The olive Uggs. They're olive. They're olive. Look at it. Look at it. They're olive. It's olive. It's not brown. It's olive. We are... Did I turn the car on? Is this on? We are trying. This is trying. We are trying. We are trying. We are going to... We're going to...
Tokyo SANDO.
Yay! Round 2, because last time we went, it was closed. So we're also gonna get Matta Coffee. I want to get a cappuccino. And we're gonna go to...
I don't know what it's called.
Every single time. Something waterfront? Oh, waterfront. Why? I know one of them. McCall Waterfront Park. And then we're gonna go on the little trammy thingy. That's it. That's all we have planned. We're just vibing today.
Real. Like, yeah. Don't worry about the details. Just stay tuned in the vlog to see how well we vibe.
Good vibes
just
out, yeah.
Stay tuned for the good vibes.
I can't try the cappuccino yet because it's so hot and I can't burn my tongue 2 times in a row. So I'm waiting on it. This is a Colombian Roast and they have land out in Colombia where they source the beans from and they roast it here. So everything is from their farm to their shop and then to here, which is really cool. All the plants, I guess, inside the coffee shop as well are all brought from Colombia. It's such a beautiful day.
We got some sun.
Yeah. I'm scared. Oh, that's yummy. It's hot, so I can't get like a whole... I thought it would be a little bit darker. Yummy. I like that. Okay. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Bam. Ooh-hoo-hoo. That's crazy.
Wild. Nasty eating this shit.
Dude.
Really good.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Wow. Can't believe we're only gonna eat this once.
Guys, every time I'm driving here, I feel like I'm driving incorrectly.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go.
It's wild because you just see city over here and like bridges and there's trucks going through. And then you're just still surrounded by nature, and you have water, and you can come here and listen to water, and then you can go, wow, it's just so beautiful. I went to Free People. I know, Seda, yes, there is a Free People in Los Angeles. And I'm on vacation, you know what, right?
Yeah.
Anyways, I got these Edna Mode glasses, which I really love, and they're burgundy. So I got these. And then I've been looking for black jeans for a while, and so I got these black jeans, which you saw me try on. These babies. I would show it to you in the hotel room, but it's just so yellow that it just wouldn't look good. But they're like super cuffed at the bottom, and they're kind of like barrel jeans where they go out a little bit, but not too over barreling. Did you guys see that? Did you see how I did that? It was really bad. We don't really know what to do because it's an awkward time. It's 4 p.m. We're making reservations at this Italian spot tonight at 8 p.m. I think we're gonna get a snack, and then we're gonna go to Hawthorne and just like walk around, do our little thing, do a little thingy thing. I'm just really happy about these Edna Mode glasses. Hi, welcome back to our hotel room, our very yellow hotel room. We have 35 minutes until our dinner reservation, and you're looking at me and you're like, say, why are you in workout clothes? It's because I suddenly got the urge to jog for some random ass reason. These are the only pants that I brought. But like, and I'm in a yellow ass room. This outfit is the craziest thing I've ever worn in my life. That's wild. Gonna go run now, guys. I can't get over myself. Oh my god, this is the worst thing I've ever. Help her. Help her. Help her. Also, I haven't worked out in so long. I literally ran for 6 minutes, walked the first minute, ran the next 6 minutes, and then walked for 3 minutes, and I'm already out of breath. I'm gonna do some squats, and then I'm gonna call it a day because we have to make it to our reservation. But I'm breathing like a goddamn horse. But you know what? We all start somewhere. Say dog has not been. We are on our way to, don't mind the mess. We are on our way to a dinner. The most yellow wall.
Green wall.
Great. It's yellow. It's 1000% that is yellow.
It's green.
It's yellow.
Lime green.
That is yellow. Yellow. Our last dinner. My upper thighs are already giving out. They are tweaking. It's giving out. We are going to, where are we going? Yeah. Hi. I just got back from dinner. I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. I just need to pack. We're gonna wake up tomorrow morning, grab a coffee and a bite to eat, and then head to the airport and go home. Good night. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Say dog she's tired. Give me a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe. Tell me how you feeling. How are you feeling? Tell me. Love you, friend. You're so my friend. Bye. Mwah. See you on the next vlog. Actually, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
I haven't pooped since LA. Your face.
What the tripping?
I've not pooped since Monday. How have I not pooped for this long? I'm not eating enough veggies, I'm telling you.
Veggies are what makes you shit.
Can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.
Bye. Guys, that was like 5 days worth of poop in one time. Like I probably just lost like 7 pounds. Boarding is about to close.